Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best Traeger grills are probably one of the most versatile and exciting additions you can make to your outdoor cooking arsenal, offering a unique blend of smoky flavor and convenient grilling that transforms everyday meals into gourmet experiences. Whether you're a seasoned pitmaster or just starting your grilling journey, these grills provide an unparalleled platform for creating delicious food, from perfectly seared steaks to slow-smoked ribs, all with the ease and consistency that Traeger is known for, making them a top choice for anyone serious about flavor. Number 5. Traeger Grill's Signature Blend Wood Pellets. Experience the perfect fusion of hickory, maple, and cherry hardwoods. This versatile blend delivers a full-bodied flavor that complements everything from classic barbecue meats to delicate fish and vegetables. Achieve authentic wood-fired taste with premium quality materials. Our all-natural hardwood pellets are crafted in American mills to ensure a perfect smoke every time. We've spent years mastering the development of our hardwood pellets. Their unique structure ensures a balanced, dependable burn for the ideal smoke-to-burn ratio. This blend is incredibly versatile, pairing exceptionally well with beef, poultry, pork, lamb, seafood, baked goods, and vegetables. Elevate any dish you create. Enjoy premium quality, all-natural hardwood pellets made right here in the USA. They offer a clean burn with low ash and no binders for a superior grilling experience. What we like. This blend offers a fantastic mix of hickory, maple, and cherry for a well-rounded, wood-fired taste. If you're looking for a go-to pellet that works with almost anything you cook, from ribs to veggies, this is your choice. It provides that classic barbecue flavor you love, time and time again. What people say. The grill heats up quickly and maintains a consistent temperature, which is great for smoking. Assembly was straightforward, and the build quality feels solid. The Wi-Fi connectivity allows for remote monitoring and control of the grill, which is very convenient. Number 4. Traeger Grill's BAC 507 Aluminum Drip Tray Liners. Introducing the Traeger Grill's BAC 507 5-pack Aluminum Drip Tray Liners. Designed for ultimate convenience, these liners make post-grilling cleanup a breeze. Each pack includes 5 disposable aluminum liners. They are specifically designed to catch grease and protect your grill, ensuring a mess-free experience every time. Crafted from durable, heat-resistant aluminum, these liners can withstand high temperatures. They provide reliable protection for your grill during every cooking session. Measuring 22 inches x 15.5 inches, these accessories offer a perfect fit for popular Traeger models like the Pro 575, Pro 22, and Elite 22. They are an essential addition to your grilling setup. Cleanup is as simple as removing and tossing away the liner. This allows you to spend less time cleaning and more time savoring your delicious grilled meals. These liners are the ideal grill accessory for simplifying maintenance. By keeping your grill clean, they help extend its overall lifespan and keep it in top condition. What we like. These disposable liners are a game changer for keeping your grill clean. If you hate scrubbing grease after every cook, these are a must-have. Just toss them when you're done, saving you time and effort so you can focus on enjoying your meal. What people say. The grill heats up very quickly and maintains a consistent temperature. The Wi-Fi connectivity is a game changer, allowing me to monitor and adjust the grill from my phone. Cleaning the grill is surprisingly easy, with a well-designed ash collection system. Number 3. Kitchen Perfection Silicone Smoker Barbecue Gloves. Introducing the ultimate gloves for barbecue lovers. Protect yourself from burns with these heat-proof grill gloves, designed for your safety and comfort. These gloves can handle extreme heat, up to 500 degrees. The double layer of waterproof silicone and thick cotton provides outstanding insulation for any grilling task. Don't let discomfort stop you. Our gloves feature an inner cotton layer for increased comfort and durability, offering amazing flexibility for all your cooking needs. Join the ranks of top chefs with these comfortable oven mitts. The non-slip grip ensures a perfect fit for everyone, protecting you from heat indoors and outdoors. We stand by our product. You're covered by a lifetime warranty, so you can trust that you're getting the best barbecue gloves for heat-resistant cooking. Get even more value with 2 sticky hangers for easy storage and 2 ebooks filled with delicious recipes. It's the complete set for any grilling enthusiast. What we like. Protect your hands with these heavy-duty, heat-resistant gloves. If you're often working with high temperatures or need a secure grip while handling hot food, these are perfect. They offer excellent insulation and flexibility, making them ideal for any pitmaster. What people say. The grill heats up very quickly and maintains a consistent temperature. The Wi-Fi connectivity allows for remote monitoring and control of the grill, which is very convenient. The pellet hopper is large enough to last for several hours of cooking without needing a refill. Number 2. Cave Tools Metal Meat Claws. Introducing the ultimate tool for your barbecue needs. These powerful claws make shredding pork, chicken, turkey, and beef a breeze. Crafted from durable stainless steel, these bare claw-shaped tools are designed for maximum performance. They handle a variety of meats with ease. Experience a dominant, non-slip grip with textured handles. The unique knuckle grip and bare paw shape make handling hot food simpler and safer. Easily grip and pull apart large cuts of meat. These premium claws are not only effective for shredding but also simple to clean. Enhance your grilling experience with these essential accessories. Get inspired with fresh ideas from our downloadable recipe book. Looking for a unique gift for the barbecue enthusiast? These premium shredder claws are the ideal present for any pitmaster. What we like. Shredding meat has never been easier with these bare claw-style tools. If you love making pulled pork or need to handle large cuts of meat with ease, these are essential. Their design provides a superior grip for safe and efficient carving. What people say. The pellet grill is easy to assemble and has a large cooking area. It heats up quickly and maintains a consistent temperature, which is great for smoking meats. The Wi-Fi connectivity allows for remote monitoring and control of the grill, making it very convenient. Number 1. Traeger Grills BAC 362 Folding Front Shelf. Tired of limited counter space when grilling? This folding front shelf instantly adds valuable workspace right where you need it. It's perfect for holding ingredients, beverages, or your favorite barbecue tools. When you're done cooking, this shelf conveniently folds down flat. It stays out of the way and even allows your grill cover to fit perfectly, making storage a breeze. Constructed from heavy-duty steel, this grill accessory is designed for durability. It's built to withstand the demands of outdoor cooking, ensuring it will be a reliable companion for years to come. This shelf is specifically designed to be compatible with your Pro 22, Pro 575, and Ironwood 650 series grills. Enhance your grilling setup with this sturdy and dependable addition. Attaching this shelf to your grill is incredibly easy. It provides a secure and stable fit, and can be installed or removed in just moments. Enjoy the convenience it brings to your grilling experience. What we like. Expand your grilling capabilities with this sturdy folding shelf. If you need more room for food prep, holding utensils, or keeping your drinks close, this is the solution. It's built to last and conveniently folds away when not in use. What people say. The pellet grill is easy to use and produces great flavor. The temperature control is very accurate, allowing for consistent cooking results. The Wi-Fi connectivity allows for remote monitoring and control of the grill, which is very convenient. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.